Why is nobody talking about the early life of Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu?
If civil war comes, and I do think it is imminent, it will for us be the price for freedom. Our people here have for a long time been prepared for this eventuality, and I am confident of their readiness. I think that when it does come, the people on the other side would be surprised as to what they're going to get. And I'm confident that it will not last long.
Emeka Ojukwu started his secondary school at CMS Grammar School, Lagos at the age of 10 in 1943. He was later transferred to King's College, Lagos in 1944, where he was involved in a controversy leading to a brief imprisonment by leading his friends to beat up a British white teacher who put down a student strike action that he was part of. The British teacher also assaulted his friends, which Ojukwu found it difficult to let go. This event generated a widespread coverage in local newspapers. At 13, his father sent him to the United Kingdom to continue his education, first at Lipton College and later at Lincoln's College, Oxford University, where he earned a master's degree in history. He returned to colonial Nigeria in 1956. He also returned as a Roman Catholic. His wealthy father described him as a stubborn young man who always wanted to do things his own way. Ojukwu joined the civil service in eastern Nigeria as an administrative officer at Udi in present-day Enugu State. In 1957, after 2 years of working with the colonial civil service and seeking to break away from his father's influence over his civil service career, he left and joined the military, initially enlisting as a non-commissioned officer in Zaria after his father told him not to join the military, that he can come and become a successful man in his company. But Ojukwu chose his own path. Ojukwu's decision to enlist as an NCO was forced by his father's pulling of political strings with the then Governor General of Nigeria to prevent Emeka from getting an officer cadetship. Sir Louis and Governor General Mafesin believed that Emeka would not stick to the grueling NCO schedule. However, Emeka persevered. After an incident in which Ojukwu corrected a sergeant's mispronunciation of the safety catch of Lee Enfield 303 rifle, the British depot commander recommended Emeka for officer commission. This was how Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu became enlisted in the Nigerian army as an officer.
Fighting a war, knowing the difficulties, the odds against us, there is an element of fatalism. People feeling, well, if the world chooses to abandon us, then perhaps it is better we all perish. They don't ever consider a Biafra not free. They believe in either Biafra free or no Biafra at all. That means none of us living to see it.